Ready to keep your important files safe and accessible from anywhere? In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how to back up your files using OneDrive. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up automatic backup for your desktop documents and pictures folders, and how to manually back up any file or folder you want, using both the OneDrive app and the web. Let's make sure all your files are protected and you never lose a thing. Alright, let's get started with the automatic backup using your computer. First, look in the bottom right corner of your screen for the OneDrive icon. It usually looks like a blue or white cloud sitting in your system tray, right next to where you see the time. If you don't spot it immediately, you might have to click the little arrow to show hidden icons. Once you see it, go ahead and right-click it and then choose Settings. This is the gear icon you see in the menu. It's an important first step because this is where you'll find all the controls for how OneDrive works on your computer. Now the Settings window is open. Let's navigate to the tab called Sync and Backup. You'll find this along the top or left side, depending on your version. Just look for those words. Once you're in Sync and Backup, you'll see an option for Manage Backup. Click that. This is where you decide which folders on your computer you want OneDrive to keep safe for you automatically. Here, where you choose what's most important to you, you'll see switches for desktop documents and pictures. These are some of the most common places we all store files, whether it's family photos, work documents, or that novel you've been writing. Simply toggle the switch to On for any folder you want to keep backed up. For example, if you turn on the switch for Documents, OneDrive will constantly watch that folder and sync any new or changed file to the cloud. Once you've made your selections, click Save Changes or Start Backup. And that's it. OneDrive will quietly and automatically back up those folders in the background. It's really like having a digital safety net for your most important files. But what if you want to back up files that aren't in those standard folders, or maybe you want an extra copy saved to your computer? OneDrive's got you covered. You can do a manual backup anytime using either the website or the app. If you're backing up from the OneDrive website, just open your browser and go to OneDrive.com, sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're inside, navigate to the files or folders you want to save. Select them by clicking the little checkbox next to each one, then look up at the top menu and hit Download. Alternatively, you can just right-click and select Download. This will save a copy directly to your computer, a useful backup if you want to keep a local copy or just need quick access offline. Finally, for those times you want to quickly add something to OneDrive, open up File Explorer and find your OneDrive folder. It's usually on the left under Quick Access. Now just drag and drop any file or folder from your computer straight into the OneDrive folder. As soon as you do, OneDrive starts uploading it to the cloud. Think of it like dropping valuables into a safe deposit box. Once it's inside the OneDrive folder, it's protected and you can get to it from any device. And that's all there is to it. With these easy steps, you're making sure your files are backed up and safe without any stress. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, and if you have any questions or need more tips, drop a comment below. I'm here to help. And of course, subscribe for more clear, beginner-friendly tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy backing up.